Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. Andrew Schwalik here with another unboxing, and I'm pretty excited about this one because we're unboxing these. The iPad and the Apple Pencil. Now, I have not had an iPad in quite a long time, so I'm very excited to jump back on the iPad bandwagon, and I decided to take it nice and easy and just go with a traditional 9.7-inch iPad. If you want to get specific, it's the 32 gigabyte iPad 6th generation, specifically just the Wi-Fi model. I am a huge note taker, so that's why I decided to actually go with the Apple Pencil. I've heard some good reviews and some bad reviews, and I'll eventually drop you a video with my review on it, but I was excited to actually have something where I could take something that feels like handwritten notes. But like I said, I'll drop a video on the review of the Apple Pencil later on. Right now, we're gonna go get into the unboxing of this Apple Pencil and this iPad. Let's go. First, let's unbox this Apple Pencil. Here you have an extra tip for your pencil, and then here you have a connector that looks like it allows you to connect it to a USB cable so that you can charge it. Instructions, warranties, all that good jazz. Look at how beautiful that is. Wow. Yeah, it feels like some pen that I could actually be writing with, just like a normal pen. This is gonna be pretty cool. I'm excited to actually try this out and write a review on it. But you can pop the top off, and that is how you, one, sync it to your iPad or device, as well as charge it. And I've heard that it charges super quick. You can plug it in for 5 seconds and it'll work for 45 minutes. I'll let you know if that's actually true in the review video. Now, let's open up this iPad. It is now time to unbox this iPad. Let's check it out. I am so excited. Pretty slick. I went for the space gray model, as you can clearly see. Fits with most of the devices I have. I'm more a fan of the darker colors. Pretty good looking iPad. I'm excited to get into it. Per usual, comes with the charger, very nice. As well as the main charging port as well, the charging block. And then all of your instructions that I don't really think people actually use. Oh, this is just so beautiful, and it feels almost like a notebook. I'm so excited to take notes on this. All right, well, there it is. Well, folks, there you have it. That was the unboxing of the 6th generation iPad 9.7, as well as the Apple Pencil. I'm super pumped to try those out, to take some notes, and I'll be making a review video on both of those items later on after I've tested them both out, and I will let you know how that goes. Make sure to subscribe so that you can stay tuned for those videos and all of the other crazy, weird videos that I make as well. Looking forward to trying these bad boys out and letting you know how they work out. All right, I will see all of you very soon in the next video. Thanks for joining. Yo, thanks for watching. If you want to see more unboxings, tech reviews, and how-tos, you can subscribe right over here. Now, click that little bell so you can be the first to see all my new videos. Now, on to the next one.